Hi everybody, welcome to Quant Justice. I'm Himanshu Sharma, and with us today we have Sanjay from Indore, who recently took up his TCS NQT exam, and he's from Computer Science Department. Okay, so whatever interviews that we have done till date, no, his interview was a bit different from all the ones which we have discussed till now. So without wasting any time, let us start off. Hi Sanjay,
Hello, sir. Hello,
how are
sir.
you doing?
So I'm fine.
Okay, superb. So, Sanjay, you told that your interview was quite different from the rest of the people.
Yeah, yes, sir. It was quite different from other people's and the videos which I have gone through.
Okay.
It was quite different. It was totally different.
So, Sanjay, we would like to know that, when you received the mail about your slot, okay,
So
and
actually, it is started that I got on 10th. I got that mail from TCS that I am selected for NQT, and for N 11 at 11 I got a mail that my interview is being scheduled at 12 p.m. on 12th.
oh,
So it
12
was
p.m. on
like
12th, what a date and what a
yeah.
time. Okay, and which platform was it conducted?
So it was Cisco WebEx.
Cisco WebEx platform. And 12 o'clock when you entered,
So
did you wait?
actually,
Huh.
yeah. I entered. I was prepared at 12 o'clock, but it was like 2.5 hour late. Like I waited in lobby for 2.5 hour. It was
Okay,
quite
okay,
yeah,
okay, okay. 2.5 hours you had to wait.
yeah,
Oh my God. Okay. Then it started at 2:30 if I'm not wrong.
yeah. That started at 2:35, and as soon as I just entered in the interview, they started asking me questions, technical
Okay.
questions. No,
Huh.
nothing. Tell me about yourself. They don't even ask my name. They
Huh.
just started.
Okay. 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 So directly they started with what question?
So it was like they first asked me a technical man, technical sir was there. He asked me that have you taken your lunch? I
Hmm.
said no. Then he started just
What
don't
did you
waste.
say? When they asked, did you have your lunch?
Yeah, I said that so I haven't taken lunch because I was waiting for my interview from morning, and
Huh.
so they said okay, let's start quickly. So
Did you ask
first of
them, ma'am, did you have your lunch?
I didn't ask that.
You should ask. See, this question, no, it shows how confident you are. Okay. Now, if I'm the interviewer, I ask you, Sanjay, did you have your lunch? Now, if I'm Sanjay, instead of me telling, sir, I did not have my lunch because I was waiting from morning. You know? So instead of
Yeah.
telling this way, if I tell, no, sir, I didn't have because I was waiting for the interview. What about you, sir? Did you have? Makes a difference.
Yes, sir.
Huh? So next
Yeah.
time, take care. But still,
Yeah.
good, no issues. I'm just telling what could be improved. That's all.
Yeah.
Huh.
All right, sir.
Huh.
So then he asked me that, and as technology is growing day to day, so which technology you have been gone through to
Hmm.
cope up with IT society in coming years, and what you are prepared for this interview. Then I told him that for this particular interview, I have gone through DBMS
Hmm.
and OOPS concept and data structures and
Hmm.
all and basics of Python, and
Okay.
as you and I am working on various new technologies,
Hmm.
Python frameworks and Django and Flask and React Node.js and many things. So
Wow. So
I
many you told.
yeah, so I'll cop up with all these in coming years. I
Huh.
told him that. Then he asked me like when you started learning Python. So I
Hmm.
told him that it was in my fourth semester of my college, and from then I started learning it.
Hmm.
So he asked me like, what do you find interesting in Python? So I
Hmm.
told him that it is like so it is open based library and it is quite user friendly, and
Hmm.
it doesn't have so much restrictions like semicolon and all that and curly braces. So I just found it so interesting.
Hmm.
And then he asked me what is the main difference between Python and C++.
Hmm.
And I told him that it is interpreted language and it is compiled language. Whole code gets compiled in C++, so it and Python step by step, and
Hmm.
many more differences. I told him about that.
Hmm.
Then he asked me, yeah, he gone through my whole resume. Then he
Hmm.
asked me like, which rate your skills. So I've written Python and C++ and C and JavaScript and HTML CSS.
Okay.
And Yeah. So he asked me to rate all of them.
Hmm.
I just because I have not learned Python from so C plus I was learning from my first year, but
Hmm.
Python it could be about 6, 8, 9 months. So
Hmm.
I told him that sir, in Python I would rate myself 6, and then C plus I would rate myself 7, 8 and 7.
Hmm.
C8 and C plus plus. Sorry, for C8 and C plus plus 7, and
Okay.
then HTML CSS I would rate myself 8 and 9, 8 and 9, and I rated myself whole skill set. Then
Hmm.
then he asked me, what about DBM? Like, which subject do you know more? So I said, I know DBMS also. Then he asked me questions like, what DBMS have?
Hmm.
So I told him that it has a schema. Then
Hmm.
then he asked me what is the difference between relational and normal DBMS. Then I told him that a relational consists of a table, tuple, attribute, and that database doesn't have such things.
Hmm.
And I think some sound.
That's okay. That's okay. No problem.
Yes, sir. Then he asked me, and then he gone through my projects,
Hmm.
and he asked me like. In my project there was 2 or 3 projects were mentioned, but he asked me that
Hmm.
project which I made through Django. Then he
Hmm.
asked me that tell me about your project, that e-commerce website.
Hmm.
Then where do you learn, from where you have learned Django?
Hmm.
And yeah, first he asked me from where you learned Django. Then I told him that so
Hmm.
I learned it from Coursera,
Hmm.
and from many YouTubers. And then he asked me about the project, which technology you used here. Like, then I told him that I made a front end from HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and for backend I used Python and MySQL. Then
Hmm.
he asked me like how many days it took. And then I told him that about 10 to 15 days I made this.
Hmm.
Then then he gave me 2 queries of DBMS. Like just asked me one query, like if I update something in a particular table,
Hmm.
and uh, so can I roll back, or can I just roll back it? Then I
Hmm.
told him that we can roll back. It was a particular query, I didn't remember that.
Hmm. Hmm.
And for another question he was asked, like if I'm going through some table, and I
Hmm.
want to make up change which is permanent, then which query you have to use. Then I told him commit. Then he asked me about some database languages, DDL, DCL. I told them that there are 4 types of DDL, DCL, DML, and TQL.
Hmm.
Then he asked me the questions of then he came switched to Python. Then he asked me about Python questions again. He
Hmm.
asked me like uh, what is the how code is compiled in Python.
Hmm.
uh, how what is first he asked me that how why we are doing compilation. Then I
Hmm.
told him that we want if we want to execute that code or run the code, then we compile it or find some errors.
Hmm.
I was quite confused in this question. I didn't know that exact answer for it.
Huh.
Then he asked me then he told me to write 2 codes, like one was for reverse the string and
Hmm.
Fibonacci series.
Okay.
Then I made them within the 4 to 5 minutes. I made them and I showed him.
Hmm.
Then after codes, he asked me. He asked me some DBMS and data. See, he asked me some questions about C plus plus, like how code is compiled in C plus plus. Then I
Huh.
told him that source code is compiled into a machine language. For here also I was quite confused in this question. Then
Hmm.
yeah, and then he asked me some basic questions like what in technologies only, like how many frameworks Python have. Then I
Hmm.
told him I know Django and Flask.
Hmm.
And yeah, and that was it. Then after that MR came. So I thought
So this
he
was taken by TR, right? TR had
yeah,
taken all.
Yeah, and I just forgot many questions. Yeah, approx 50 to 20 questions, but I'm not remembering all.
Mm,
Then after that MR came. So I
mm,
thought you would ask some strength, weakness, and all about. As I gone through your videos, many students were saying that. So he came and he suddenly asked me, tell me difference about Python and C plus plus, C plus plus, difference between Python and C plus. Then I told him that C plus is a object oriented programming, and Python is procedure and object both.
mm,
uh, I told him that in this whole code is compiled, and in this it is interpreted line by line.
mm,
Then same questions which I was unable to answer in TR, like how compiled.
mm.
He asked him to me.
Correct.
Then here, here also I just fumbled. I didn't answer that. I answered in the same way where that to which I have done to TR.
Mm,
So he questioned me to compiler interpreter,
mm,
and he asked me about machine code and source code and assembly code.
mm,
So I told him, but I was not confident over this topic because I've not gone through that whole theory of
mm,
C++.
mm.
So it was quite mm, not up to the mark.
Okay.
Then within 4 to 5 minutes he told that I'm done. Thank you,
Mm,
Sanjay.
okay.
Then then HR ma'am came.
Huh.
So she also asked me how code is compiled. Same, which I haven't told for both of them. So
Mm,
same mistake I also made here.
huh.
Then she laughed. Then she laughed, and I also like laughed.
Mm,
Then she asked me that how was your experience. So I told her that, ma'am, it was not quite up to that mark. I prepared more, but I couldn't execute like that.
mm,
So but I I recalled some things which I will not do other time.
mm,
So she asked me like, you have taken a drop of 1 year.
mm,
Uh, for why you have taken that drop? Then I explained her that after 12th I gone to Kota for IIT and all that.
mm,
So she said all right, and she said me happy Diwali,
mm,
and I said same to you, ma'am, and
mm.
that was
Only
wrap up.
ma'am you told, huh? Happy Diwali.
Yeah, happy Diwali, ma'am. Same to you, ma'am.
Okay.
Yeah,
Mm. So
that
that's all.
was
Then they told thank you and it ended.
yeah, yes, sir.
Next time, no, whenever you're not sure about anything, no, you explain, okay, and then you at the end tell, ma'am, this is what I feel. I might be missing some points,
Yeah,
but yeah, this is what I feel is the answer. Is it clear?
yes, sir.
See, they targeted the same thing again and again for you.
Yeah, yes, sir.
Correct. No, and this is very important to know the working how it works in C language. What is the purpose of main function? What is the purpose of header files and all? All these are very important.
Yes, sir.
Next time when you go, learn all this, how it works and all. And that is where you got hit this time, though you know so many technologies that you mentioned.
Yeah,
But
yes,
you
sir.
didn't go to those technologies, right?
Yeah, they didn't ask anything.
So moral of the story is very simple. You talk so much technologies, they will ask only what they know about. Might be that they did not know about the other technology which you mentioned. Not all would be knowing it.
Yes, sir.
So mention few technologies which like C, C++, Java, .NET, HTML, CSS, DBMS, and in this know everything in and out about it.
Yeah, yes, sir. You have
Your
to
interview
have
went
an
well, but I'm only feeling bad that that one question they targeted again and
yeah,
again. Pitch it,
yeah.
pitch.
So I was also like, I was feeling bad that they are asking again and again. I am unable to answer every time.
That is, see, MR, you know why he asked you that question? Because he knows that you're not clear with that concept, okay? And he was
Yeah,
just trying to check your reaction. How would you react?
yeah, yes, yes,
Okay,
sir.
so if you smiled and told, Ki, sir, I know that you are targeting me. If you have smiled and told, that is fine. But if you have fumbled more and more, you felt more scared, nervous, that is when you'll get to know, okay, this guy is not that confident, or he is very nervous by nature. You know? So it is all
Yes,
he's just testing how do you react to it. That's all he's testing
yeah,
it.
Yeah.
That is what he did. No management. He caught hold of concepts which you're not good at, and he bounced the same to you just to check how would you react.
Yeah. So I laughed at that time
Good, good.
because
That is the best thing. You shouldn't feel nervous of it. You shouldn't feel more
yeah,
nervous. You know, you get
yes,
selected, well and good. You don't select it, better. You will try for the next company, work hard. You
yeah,
get over.
yes. I will try from other company because sir, it was my first time. So
Huh.
I was little bit nervous, and that time period 2.5 hour, it made me more nervous.
I
So that
understand. So this
so,
actually many people would face that, you know, the one student waited for 4 hours. Previous interview which we took, he waited
yes,
for
sir.
4 hours. Okay. So he was mentally drained also. His interview went on at 5 o'clock they started.
Oops.
So see, this happens, okay. What you should do is whenever you wait, no, try to have some citrus fruit juice like lemon juice, orange juice, mosambi juice, and all. This calms your brain,
Okay, sir.
you know. And don't take tension. It's fine. Don't be
Yeah,
nervous. I understand it is your interview, first job, and all, but still try to be not only in this interview, even in life. Don't be nervous about anything. Whatever happens, accept it. Go ahead. Even this, accept the best, okay. Expect that you will be selected, but be prepared to even take in whatever is the worst.
yes, sir. So I'm prepared right now.
Prepare and keep working now. Don't waste your time. Even now, start working. See how it works. In fact, be better at that concept which you weren't able to answer.
Yes, sir. So I've gone through whole process of compiler and machine code and everything.
ठीक है?
Yeah.
So that is the thing. You have to learn. There is nothing known as failing. There is either learning or success. One of the two.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है? So be prepared for
Exactly,
the
sir.
worst and accept the
Yeah.
best. Both you be prepared. With this, we
Yeah.
wish you all the best, Sanjay. Thank you for sharing
Yeah.
your knowledge, information, and spending time with us to help others prepare for their
Yeah.
interviews.
So it was great to have a chat with you, sir. It
Thank you.
was amazing.
Thank you. Thank you, Sanjay. So with this, we wish you all the best for your
Yes.
results. Let me know. Whatever is the result, let me know. Okay.
Yes, sir.
I would be very happy to know you get selected. Even if you're not selected, it's fine. No issues.
Yeah.
Enough. Yeah, fine.
I-
Thank you, Sanjay.
yeah.
Thank you.
Happy Diwali, sir.
Happy Deepavali. Yeah. So,
Yes.
people, we have Sanjay. I hope this experience would have definitely helped you in your preparation. Many people are going through the rounds. We wish you all the best. If you want to share your experience with us, you can leave us a message on Instagram, or we even provide our WhatsApp number. That is my number itself. You can directly have a chat with me, and you could share your experiences so that we could help more people. Okay. So with this, we wish you all the best for your interviews. May all of you get selected and placed. Okay. Happy Diwali. Have a great day. Bye, people.